Hi, my name is Jamie Templeton. I'm Vice President of Platform Products at LinkedIn. I'm going to be talking about Company Buzz today. First, let me say a little bit about the LinkedIn Intelligent Applications Platform. The platform is designed to allow companies to build functionality that actually resides within LinkedIn. It's pretty great for users because it's going to allow them new ways to collaborate with their network, update their profile and represent themselves, and get key intelligence out of their network. I'm actually going to talk to you about one of two applications that are being developed by LinkedIn. The application name is Company Buzz, and it takes key information from your profile in combination with information from Twitter to give you great business insights about what people are saying about your company and school. Okay, let's go do a product demo. What you see here is the application directory in which you can find all the different applications that are offered on the platform. On the bottom left you see the Company Buzz, so I'm going to select that, and this is going to take me to the application details page. It gives me a description of what the application is, allows me to take a look at some of the screenshots of what the application does, and over on the right hand side I have a button to add the application. In this case I don't want to add the application to my profile, I just want the homepage module, so I'm going to select that and go and add the application. So right now the application is being added and I am taken to the Canvas page where most of the functionality occurs. Already you can see that the application has pre-filled a number of the topics based off of my profile. LinkedIn is where I currently work, eBay is where I worked before, and PayPal before that, and I went to school at Bates College. All of those are topics that I might actually want to see Twitter activity around. On the left-hand side, you can see the actual tweets relative to the topic on the right. So in this case, I'm looking at Bates College, but let's take a look at LinkedIn instead. Once again, you can see that all of these tweets on the left-hand side actually talk about LinkedIn. So there are a huge number of them out there. If you take a look down below, there are a number of different pages. So that's actually pretty difficult to get an idea for what people are specifically saying about LinkedIn. You get little bits of information, but you don't necessarily get a trend of it. And that's what I'm going to talk about next, which is the functionality that we provide to give you an idea for the trends. If you look on the right-hand side, there are two sections. One is the buzzwords, and the other one is trend. Trend actually shows how often the term LinkedIn, in this case, shows up in tweets per day. And you can see over the weekend it actually dropped down. Buzzwords actually takes a look at the top keywords that are being mentioned when LinkedIn is being mentioned in tweets. So I can see that profile is the #1 word when somebody is twittering about LinkedIn. Facebook, people, Twitter, and job are also different keywords. Now if I wanted to actually see those tweets, I can click on any one of these and the tweets on the left-hand side will be filtered by that. So in this case, let's go to job. You can see that the tweets on the left-hand side have switched, and let's take a look at the top one. Why did they actually say something about jobs? So they're responding to Dream Job Guide, can't beat answers section on LinkedIn to demonstrate expertise in sharing information generously. So this is just an example of information that you might actually want to find out about LinkedIn. The other thing that you might want to do is to be able to change the topics or edit the search terms in case one of them is not accurate enough or is too encompassing. To do that, you come up to the top right and you select Manage. It gives you the option to remove any of the topics or to edit any of the topics. In this case, I think I'll actually go in and edit the Bates College topic. I can add another term. In this case, the search term that was entered in for Bates College is just Bates, which maybe is too general. So let me add a new one in here, and I'm actually going to specify college. And then hit save. And what will happen is my new topic is put up here on the right-hand side, and you can see that now the Twitter messages are actually just about Bates College as opposed to Bates Motel or other Bates topics. The other thing I'd like to point out is the share functionality. Once you do find a tweet that actually is interesting, you can share that with your connections easily by just selecting the share functionality. This will send a message to them through LinkedIn. That concludes the demo that I was going to do for you today. Look forward to getting your feedback on future functionality that you'd like to see in the Company Buzz application.
To install an application on LinkedIn, visit the LinkedIn Apps directory. Find the application you'd like to install, then click Add Application. You can then customize your application and begin creating and collaborating on LinkedIn.